scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast if you know the secret. We are going to find the derivative of this integral right now. Start by looking at the fundamental definition of an antiderivative. Since the integral of our function equals f of x, we know that the derivative f prime is just the integrand. Now we simply identify the original function inside the integral. That function is 4x plus the square root of 1 plus x cubed. This makes our calculation very straightforward today. Plug 2 into the expression. 4 times 2 is 8 and the square root of 9 is 3. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given information and check your steps.